We're at Savage Falls in Tennessee.
Wait till we get down there. It looks so much better.
Oh man, that sounded like a growl actually. We better get out of here.
We're Paul and Sarah, and we're always ready for an adventure.
Ever heard of Savage Falls? Today, my brother Danny guides us on a hike through changing landscapes to one of his favorite waterfalls near Chattanooga. Enjoy the show. Good morning from Tennessee.
Good morning.
If you remember from last time, we went to Fall Creek Falls State Park, which was amazing. But we're here staying with my family, my mom and my brother, and we mentioned we wanted to explore some of the area and what makes Tennessee so great. And my brother suggested he'll show us his favorite hike and favorite waterfall in Tennessee, and it's supposed to be epic.
It's only an hour drive from Chattanooga. It's got a waterfall and a ridgeline hike that we're going to do today. And hopefully the water isn't as cold as it was yesterday. A quick stop at Food City, which actually was really nice.
I got the camera gear.
I've got the chips.
I got the hummus.
This is my brother Danny. You could say that adventure runs in our family. I think I really like Chattanooga. We're on the highway following my brother right now. He's taking us to his secret spot.
We're stopping. Let's see what he has to say.
This is a cool spot here. Normally a lot more water coming down, but we haven't had a lot of rain lately, so.
So right off the highway is this rock face. Danny's saying that there's a lot of water that comes down here, so it actually kind of makes for a waterfall right off the side of the road.
But we normally got
Pretty cool.
Boy, it's such beautiful places right off the highway.
No way. What? Oh my goodness. What's your brother doing up there?
I have no idea. He is wild. Look at that.
Danny just ran right up there. If that's anything of an indication of what we're gonna have to keep up with on the trail today, woo! Getting a little nervous. Oh boy. A lot to see in Tennessee, apparently. Especially when you know from a local where to go.
Well, if this is the right way, then it's only 6 minutes away.
I've already busted out some chips for us.
Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on?
The GPS pretty much loses
Mm-hmm.
everything out here. We'll find it.
Whoa.
It's kind of like on a south part of a state park, and it's not real easy to find. Looks like a beautiful park. Really secluded.
Think we're about ready to go? Did you bring your sense of adventure?
Yes!
Oh yeah, always. There's some tent camping actually on a trail down to the waterfall. The next morning just walk down to the waterfall.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just a regular day loop. You can hit the falls on the way back.
Sounds good to me.
4.2 miles. This is actually a really cool ranger station. And the bathrooms are pretty cool too. I actually have to show you. These are actually really clean, really cool looking. Ooh, that's always a good sign. High bluff.
And don't hike after dark.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to do the Savage Falls day loop, which is a few miles, and then on the way back we're going to hit Savage Falls itself.
Look at this. If you remember this from Illinois, it's actually from a black walnut tree. And we're only a few minutes into the hike, and already this is going to be a gorgeous hike, I can tell. I can only imagine what it's going to be like when we get up on top of the ridge.
These are the blazes for this hike. It reminds me of the Appalachian Trail. They're white.
They're are, you know, pretty tough.
So you like them?
Yeah,
I'm still liking these.
they're not the lightest ones.
When it comes to hikers, I think we are all passionate about our shoes.
The tread on the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I said.
Ooh, guys, limit 2 people. My gosh, it shakes, guys. It shakes.
Run!
So pretty.
Huh? Leaf.
Very fun.
How you doing back there, Sarah? You feeling savage?
Whoop! So excited right now to be on the trail.
I think we just heard something.
Take a guess, top of your head, what would you think?
I would think bear.
I think a bird.
I was almost thinking owl.
Oh, no.
But just in case.
Yeah.
I've actually never seen a bear out in this area, but they are out in this region.
That was a weird sound.
I could definitely see it being an owl, though, because it had like a...
It was like...
Ooh.
Yeah. People have been attacked by large cats out
Oh.
on trails, you know.
Yeah.
It's rare.
I'm definitely hearing something. I feel like we should definitely keep walking.
I think
Yeah, there's a
it's
weird sound.
It's because we have sweet Sarah with us.
Uh-huh.
It's probably tasty.
Let's walk over this area and try to be quiet.
Yeah.
Oh man, that sounded like a growl actually. We better get out of here. Yeah, it sounded like a cat growl. The second time, that was kind of crazy. Alright, I think we're probably out of that area. Hopefully nothing's following us.
Keep going.
Pass by the falls on the way back. Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
You want to get out of here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely want to get out of there. Let's get up on the ridge.
Sure, you don't want to get some film of it, you know, like.
Oh no.
You can film me sitting here like, go ahead, you guys go ahead.
He's so bad.
This is a loop that we're doing, so it feels like we'll get away from that area, wherever that possible cat was, if it really was a cat. The downside is that wasn't part of the loop, so we have to go right by that area again on the way out. Hanging on to that bear spray?
Yep, definitely.
You just toss that orange thing, you know.
Up for the task?
No, I hope I don't have to.
I'm keeping a watch out in the back. I feel like I'm like the snack in the back.
Well, I normally go up on the Northwind Trail.
This has been a really beautiful trail so far. And also hearing my brother's stories. It's been a while since we hung out with him, so I'm glad we said yes to this hike.
See if we can get some views.
Yeah,
let's see if
it's
So we're gonna take the Northwind Trail, see if we can get some overlooks. It'd be nice to get some views and get a glimpse of what this park really looks like. Because so far we've just been hiking in the forest, which is beautiful, but we also like to see major expanses. Can't wait to see that waterfall too. It's gonna be epic. It's a pretty cool trail so far. Let's keep going.
I've got something that has such a strong aroma that we might attract some bears. Protein bar.
Organic pear. I know, it's gonna be good.
Ready to go. Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
We have some elevation now. Hopefully we'll get a nice view.
And they replaced it with that.
Yeah.
Alright, it's our first overlook on the Northwind Trail.
Finally, we made it to our first overlook. Woohoo!
Oh, wow. This is gorgeous.
Whoa. Whoa, guys, this is a big drop off. And that's it, it's just this rock. I don't even know what's underneath this rock. It might be like a ledge, I don't know. Gorgeous, gorgeous gorge. Incredible. Ah! I'm not scooting any closer than this. Oh man, my heart's pumping. This is a heart pumping trail.
I've been planning to make a trip of the Northwind Trail itself. There's overlooks all the way down. The end of the 6 miles is a campsite. So it's 6 miles out to the campsite, 6 miles back. So, you know, you'd want to make that an overnight.
Yeah, time to go to a waterfall.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I think the waterfall would be nice. You think it'll work on mountain lions?
Maybe we should grab some just in case.
Yeah. These might be silverberries. I knew a girl once who her family lived up on a mountain and they would turn it into a jam. It was the best jam I ever had.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so good.
Wild berry jam of all kinds are the best.
You definitely have to be sure what you're picking though.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Don't want to end up like Into the Wild with a magic bus.
No. There's another overlook?
Yep.
Ooh.
And I'm pretty sure from here we can see where we were sitting just earlier. And it is right
Ooh. Is that it?
there.
Finally here.
Yay! Got my bathing suit on. I'm so ready.
Oh yeah.
Somebody carved it.
But it was like 1.2. You tested out for us.
Ah, I love bridges. They're so cool.
And a real small bluegill.
I think that's the first people we've really seen on the trail. We saw one trail runner and one couple the entire day, and that's it. It's amazing. Can't wait to see what's over at the falls. And the water is getting louder, louder, and louder. Oh no!
Dun dun dun!
It's a miracle!
Oh wow! It's right here. Look at this.
Wait till we get down there. It looks so much better.
It's so cool. Every location you see at this waterfall is amazing. You can sit up there, sit here, sit where we're gonna sit in the sun. You can sit up there on that rock, on that rock. Wait a minute, that's a beehive! Isn't it?
It looks like it, yeah.
You don't want to sit maybe underneath that though. If that falls on you, that's no good. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Work in progress.
I hiked in my bathing suit, so I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Let's do it. We actually hiked with the water shoes just to make sure that we were able to get in the water. Because if you remember from Fall Creek Falls, when we hiked to the bottom, I mean, I would have loved to go in that water, but I would have needed some water shoes.
This is gonna be refreshing.
Here we go.
You ready to jump in?
Yeah, I guess so.
This has to be the most epic waterfall that we've been to. Nobody's here, it's just us. You look ready.
I was born ready. I've never swam in here actually.
Really?
All the times I've
way.
been here. No, I haven't. I feel like the king of this.
How's it feel?
It's numbing.
What do you think?
I think we better go in.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. You wanna just jump?
Are we jumping for
Yeah.
real? Ah, we're
One.
jumping in there.
Yeah, ready?
1, 2, 3. Ah! It's so cold! It's so cold!
Whoa! I feel like I'm wearing a diaper. Woo!
Oh my god!
Too cold for this.
Oh wait, there's a rock right here!
The water is cold, but it is amazing.
He was like buried down in this like moss stuff.
Danny's really interested in snakes, so I'm trying to find one. What an incredible experience this is. I love Savage Falls.
Beautiful.
I'm happy we can share this with you guys.
I know. Thank you, Danny.
Thank you, Danny.
So we had a great day here at Savage Falls. I'm really glad you got to spend the day with my brother, his wife Sarah. It was an awesome day. See this. It's my favorite waterfall in this whole region. You're gonna have to do an edit. Don't put that in there, huh? In the end, it's all about good times, good people, and good memories.
Don't forget to subscribe, you guys.
We love you guys so much. Thank you, Danny, my brother. I love you. But for real though, it's a little cold.
See you next time.
Next time, we have one more adventure with my brother, and we're on a search for hidden waterfalls in Tennessee. Turns out it's quite a journey to get there. Until then, adventure on.